Hello students, so today we are going to discuss a very interesting question, and then question is from genetics itself. So we know that genetics is very interesting, the crosses are very interesting. So today we are going to discuss about a cross related to the blood grouping. Okay, so let's see what the question is. Okay, so the question says, a man with blood type AB is married to a woman with blood type O. They have two biological children and one adopted children. Okay, so Jane has blood type A, Marlin has B, and Jordan has O. You have to tell me which child is adopted from the three, that is from Jane, Marlin, and Jordan. You have to tell me which one is adopted and how do we know that. Okay, so let's see. So the question itself says that the men have got a blood group AB, right? And the women to whom he is married has got blood group O. Okay, so we are given three children's name, Jane, Marlin, and Jordan. Okay, Jane has got blood group A, Marlin has got blood group B, and Jordan has got blood group O. So we have to find out of these three children, which one are the biological children and which one is the adopted. Okay, so for a man to be blood group A, for anyone to have blood group A, we know that the arrangement of allele should be one IA with one IB. Then only the blood grouping would be AB. And for a woman to have blood group O, she should have a pair of IO, that is a homozygote, and this man is a heterozygote having two different allele, that is IB, which results into the blood group AB, and IO, which results into the blood group O. Okay, now when we cross it, we will find there will be four different types of what we call it, combinations. Okay, so in the gametic form, one male gamete will have IA, the other will be IB. Similarly, for the egg, the entire egg will have, all egg will have nothing but IO because it is a homozygote, right? Now, if we see more carefully, look into the question more carefully, we'll notice that when we cross it, we'll see that IA when merged with IO, it will result into the blood group A. Why A? Because we know that out of all the three alleles in the blood grouping, that is IA, IB, and IO, IA and IB are dominant and IO is recessive. So when IA and when IO are together, so obviously the dominant one will express itself. So the blood group will be A. Similarly, when IA merges with IO again, it will be IA, IO, blood grouping will be A. For IBIO, the blood grouping will be B, and for IBIO again, the blood grouping will be again B. So the resultant offspring, जो भी offspring क्यों ना हो, उनका either blood group A हो सकता है या तो B हो सकता है. So this man and women, when they gave birth to their girl child or boy child, whosoever may be, the resultant offspring always had a blood group A or blood group B and nothing else. If someone has blood group AB, if some children has blood group O, matlab these are the offsprings which were adopted and not the biological children. The biological children of this couple would have blood group either A or B and no one and nothing else. Okay, and so when we get back into the question says a man with blood type AB is married to a woman with blood type O, and their biological children, we have to find the biological children. The biological children would be, Jane has blood type A, so Jane will be a biological children. Marlin has a blood type B, so Marlin will also be a biological children, whereas Jordan has blood group O. Jordan. So which child was adopted? We now know it. Who is adopted? Jordan was adopted because Jordan has got a blood group O, but the offspring which was produced from this couple will either have a blood group A or B, but not O. So which one is the adopted children? Jordan is the adopted children because Jordan has got blood group O. Okay, so this was all about today. This was the question that I had to discuss because I found it very interesting. I hope you all find it interesting too. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.